Hello, my name is Dr. Mamoona Humayun, and I'm a senior lecturer at the University of Roehampton. I'm excited to share my application for the SSI Fellowship with you today. Before diving into the details of my project plan, I would like to take a moment to introduce myself and share a little about my background. Alongside teaching, I wear several other hats. I'm an active researcher in software engineering, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity, and I contribute as a guest editor, peer reviewer, and conference volunteer. I also mentor students, collaborate on funded research projects, and support curriculum design and quality assurance. Through these roles, I aim to foster professional growth, support research dissemination, and strengthen academic communities. So, before going into the detailed quarterly plan of my fellowship project, I would like to briefly introduce the project topic. The proposal is titled From Awareness to Action Enhancing Secure Software Development Practices Among University IT Staff and RSCs. SSD or secure software development is the practice of integrating security principles, tools, and processes throughout the entire software development lifecycle. It is vital to building trustworthy research systems. I chose to focus on RSCs and IT staff because they both play essential but distinct role in developing and maintaining secure research environment. The objectives of my fellowship are simple and focused. First, to raise awareness of secure software development practices by conducting a survey among IT staff and RSCs. Second, to build capacity through a practical workshop where participants can learn best practices and share experiences. Third, to strengthen collaboration between IT staff and RSCs by creating an easy to use knowledge resource such as the starter pack or short guide. And the final objective will be to foster sustainable adoption to encourage lasting change by ensuring all outputs are concise, reusable, and accessible so universities can continue benefiting beyond the fellowship. Now, I will talk about the quarter by quarter plan of this fellowship project. The first quarter of the fellowship project will focus on planning, engagement, and early insight. The objective of this quarter will be to raise awareness by conducting a survey among university IT staff and RSCs. The activities involved in this quarter will be to design the survey using Cyber Body of Knowledge and SSDLC guideline and to pilot test the survey. The second quarter of the project will focus on data collection through survey. The objective of this quarter will also be to raise awareness among IT staff and RSCs. The activities involved in this quarter will be to host the survey online, monitor the participation, provide support, close the survey, and export the data. The third quarter of the fellowship project will focus on survey result analysis. The objective covered during this quarter will be to raise awareness and build capacity. And the activities involved in this quarter will be survey data analysis, synthesize finding, use insight for pre-workshop preparation, and workshop planning and organization. The fourth quarter will totally focus on conducting workshop and validate the findings. And the objective of this quarter will be to build capacity by hosting a single targeted workshop to share insight from the survey, raise awareness, and gather deeper perspective. The activities involved in this quarter will be to run the workshop and evaluate outcome and compare it with survey findings. The final quarter will wrap up and dissemination, and the objective of this quarter will be to foster sustainable adoption by making the output concise, reusable, and accessible beyond the fellowship timeframe. The activities involved during this quarter will be to compile the finding into SSD starter pack, PLOG, or white paper, and to share the output via SSI channels and academic networks. This slide outlines how the fellowship outcomes will be measured using SMART principles: specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. I aim to collect over 100 survey responses, engage at least 50 participants in training workshop, and achieve more than 50 download of the knowledge resource. These targets are practical and demonstrate clear impact on the research community. The proposed budget for this fellowship project will be 4,000 British pound. That will be allocated in such a way that online survey platform will cost around 400 pound to ensure reliable data collection, analysis, and respondent management. Participant incentive will cost around 600 pound. In-person workshop venue and logistic will cost £1,200 to provide a conducive environment for collaboration, discussion, and hands-on activities. Travel and accommodation will cost around 600. Workshop material and supply will cost 300, and analysis and compilation of starter pack will cost 900 to ensure professional, actionable, and high-quality deliverables. Thank you for your time and attention. I truly hope for the opportunity to take this project forward as part of the SSI Fellowship 2026 and to contribute meaningfully to our community. If you want to connect with me, you can search me on LinkedIn by writing my name, Mamoona Humayun. You can reach me using my official email ID, or if you are interested to collaborate with me on research, you can search my research interest by writing my name on Google Scholar and ResearchGate. Thank you.